OMG Nation, have you ever been in one of those situations where you got a little corrosion on your spokes or just on some of the chrome? Just a little bit of pitting on an older motorcycle? Let me show you what I'm going to use to get some of this off. Now, I've already soaked my rims, my spokes in a chrome cleaner. Just some spray. I left it on there for a little while. I washed it off. You'll be able to see on the tire where, you know, I rinsed it off. So what I got today is I got this steel wool. It's number 0000. And I'm going to do the second part. You know, I didn't even film the first part because I'm just spraying something. I let it sit for 30 minutes and then I rinsed it off. And then I let it dry overnight. And now we're going with this. I've been told it works. So let me show you the corrosion that I'm going to try to get off the spokes and off some of the chrome on the 2006 Harley Davidson Fat Boy, known as the Blue Ghost Brother. So I pulled some of this off. You can see right here. It's steel wool, extremely fine. And then I'm going to take it back over some of the forks. I'm going to take it over, look at right in here, especially this one. This spoke right here is just full of crud and full of little bitty corrosion. This one right here. This one down here. You see that one? Let me go to the other side. This side's going to be a whole lot easier to navigate through all this stuff. But right in here you can see on some of the spots in the rim right here, you can see where it needs to be cleaned real well. Same thing right in here. And then on the forks over here. Then I'm going to head over to the exhaust and hit some of these spots on the exhaust right in here. Some of these spots right here where I've got corrosion. Back over on this side right here. This side right here where it's real hard to get to seems to be the side that looks the worst. So I'm really going to try to get in here and work on these real well. As you can see right down in here. Right down in here, that's all just kind of corroded and gross looking. You can see right here on the old jiffy stand, little pitting right over in here. So I'm just going to try to get all this a little bit. All right, so I'm going to start on these spokes right here. Oh, I can already see a difference. Holy smokes, guys. Okay, look at this one right here. Look how nasty it is. Watch this. Look at that. This stuff's amazing. It's got brake dust on it. Road grime. Bugs. Tears from Honda Gold Wings. I'm just kidding, brothers. Calm down. Guys, look at this right here, man. I'm telling you. I don't know how well that's translating, but it is like night and day right now. Look at that. I'm going to roll it forward just a little bit and get a better angle. All right, so now I'm going to try it on this. Now I'm going to try it on this side and try not to get in the sunlight, block the shot. Wow, this is crazy. It's just taking all this stuff off of there. All right, so I flipped around to the good-looking side of the bike, which I'm on, sitting on the bike. I'm on the right-hand side, and I'm hitting this side of the spokes. I already hit a considerable amount before I turned the camera on, but it's really getting all this stuff off of here. Look at this right here. It's chewing this steel wool up. I'm gonna have to get me another one. If I get extremely meticulous about this, I mean, I could have these things looking amazing. I'm just going to try to go over every single spoke and then the little spots in the rims. Okay, look how good this looks right here. I went over this rim on both sides, and I'm about 95% finished. There's still some spots I need to go back over, but you guys take a look at this. I mean, how much better does that look? Let's go back over here where the rotor side is. How much better does that look? Crazy. I should hit this while I'm here. Here you go, look at that, guys. Boom. Now let me get this. Look at that rust right in there. Let's see if I can get that. That's good. Got that. Guys, this is what you need to do if you got a little bit of rust in some spots, and you know, I'm sure it's not like rust that's terrible rust. This is surface level rust. Look at all this. Check that out. On the rims, let me get this down here. I don't know, maybe I'm giving away a detailer's secrets right here. If you are a detailer and I just gave away your secrets, I'm sorry, brothers. But this absolutely worked. I want to show you guys this side again, opposite the rotor side, the right-hand side of the bike. Look at this, how good it looks. Again, the Jiffy stand that had all that little surface level rust on it, it's almost completely gone. I got to get something back around here just a little bit. But now I'm going to work on these guys back here. These are going to be the harder ones. Well, that piece right here, it's got a lot of surface level rust on it, but it just all came off. Now I'm going to start up here on this exhaust, go over these little spots right here. Look at that coming right off, guys. All right, check it out. Look at the exhaust. I got all the junk off of there. Look at those spokes. I just got to get down on the rim between the spokes. But as you can see, even on this one, I got the rim. That one looks amazing. But I just got a couple little spots to get in here. And then I'm going to wash these bad boys. Let's go give them a bath and see how they look all cleaned up. A few days have gone by. Because it's been raining like crazy here. And I have not been able to take the bike back out. But as you guys can see, man, look how clean that is. Now there's some spots that are kind of a little bit difficult, and I think it ate into the chrome a little bit. But this bike is also 2006. Look at here on this side right here. It looks great. I went back over these aluminum forks right here. As you can see, the aluminum forks, man, they look fantastic. Aluminum forks to me is a constant battle. You guys with the aluminum forks right here, what do you think? Is it a constant battle for you? Because it's a constant battle for me. But man, that worked real well. Let me get my shadow out of the way. That worked real well, as you can see. Let's look at this side. I don't know how well we can see it on this side. Somebody gave me a great idea about this, and I'm going to make that change as well soon. Look at there. See, you can even see right here on the old Jiffy stand how it got most of that up. Most of the little rust that was inside of there, it got that up. I've got most of this out. So I think I can, you know, do some painstaking time and just kind of really get in there to get the rest out. But I feel like this was one of those jobs that I'm going to do a couple of different times. You know how it goes. But look at that, man. That looks phenomenal right there. Way better than it did. So I'm just going to keep hitting it over and over and over each time I wash it. Then the following day I'll go back over it with the steel wool. Like I said, guys, I appreciate you watching today's episode of the spoke cleaning. I don't even know what to call it, really and truly, but it's just the redneckery of cleaning your spokes. I feel like it did a fantastic job. I'm sure somebody in the comments is going to tell me what I did wrong and how I could have done it better, but go ahead. I welcome everyone's opinion. good or bad, even if you were wrong. Hit the like button if you have not subscribed. Hit that subscribe button, and OMG Nation, keep it old school. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stall.
So guys, if you haven't watched the focus, then that won't be.
Say bye, Harley.
Bye, Harley.
Oh, this is recorded, by the way.
I didn't think it wasn't recorded.
Okay. Just checking.